fast as I can.
I can't be late for my first duel.
Ugh, now look what you made me do.
The one day I need a good breakfast and I wind up starving. Hey, that smells great.
Reed Pepper is a fabulously famous celebrity chef who has a huge following among those who wish to introduce a dash of delish into their dreary, flavor-free lives.
Sounds like you might be a little hungry, Yuya.
Well, my breakfast did get kind of messed up. Now hear this!
Hey! Put some fire in your belly!
Sounds like your belly wants breakfast. Too bad you have to lose on an empty stomach. What?
Can't you see Yuya needs this win so bad he can almost taste it? Is your head empty too?
It certainly sounds like my monster menu has whetted your appetite.
Well, I gotta admit, they look tasty.
One Prince Curry! Got it! And one Princess Pudding!
These monsters are ruining my appetite. Ugh. Which is a good thing because I'm starving.
Then it looks like you're going to lose some weight and some life points. For every monster summoned by Regal,
I draw! Great! This trap card isn't gonna help me right now. Only one thing to do. I gotta go for an action! I'm so hungry! I'm too weak!
No wonder.
and techniques, and do better next time. I better start prepping for the championship. I hope you make it in.
Thanks.
It sounds like dueling worked up your appetite. How about a pancake sandwich?
I think I might have a better idea.